Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be super exciting because I have been waiting for this video, to do this unboxing for so long, and I finally got the package. So this is my very first, and you guys, this box is huge. This is my first FabFitFun unboxing. So this is the spring box, and I actually started FabFitFun this season, so I was really excited. I did place the order after the first bill due date because I think there's 2 bill due dates for FabFitFun. So if you order your box, if you're a first time member, if you order the box before the first bill date, you'll get the box before the month ends, if that makes sense. And then if you order it after the second bill due date or around the second bill due date, then you'll get it towards the end of March. So I got mine towards the end of March. I actually got mine yesterday, I believe. Yes, yesterday. And it was delivered in my complex office, and I immediately told my husband. It was perfect timing because my husband was actually going to be paying the rent, so I had him pick up the box, and here it is. This box is so big. It's crazy and it's so heavy. I actually don't remember what I picked out as a customization because you can customize your box when you place your order, but I honestly don't remember what I picked out. So everything in this box will be so surprising for me. So yeah, I'm super excited. I hope you guys are excited too, and if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Rama. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to sit down and watch my videos. I really do appreciate it. And if you guys have not done so already, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you guys are always notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. So if you guys want to see what I received in this spring box, FabFitFun, oh my goodness, it's so big, this box, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so before we start, I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about FabFitFun. This is not sponsored, by the way. I'm not at all being paid to do this, but FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription, and it is basically $59 every quarter. So you get a box every season: March, spring, summer, fall, winter, and spring, summer, fall, and winter. There you go. And I got this spring box. If you are a first time member, you do get 20% off or $10 off your first box. I do have a code for this for FabFitFun, so I will have those codes listed down in the description box, as well as a link to FabFitFun if you guys would like to subscribe and all that. Again, this is my first time receiving a FabFitFun box and being in this FabFitFun community, so I am super excited. I have watched so many unboxings of this amazing subscription, and I have always wanted one, and I asked my husband and he agreed. So thank you, hubby. So anyway, I am gonna go ahead and see what is in this box. By the way, FabFitFun does include a variety of things. The box itself can retail for at least over $300. I will have, just like I do with unboxing for my boxes, Charm and Ipsy, I will have everything listed down in the description box, the prices, where you can get them, links and all that. And I will also calculate the cost for each of these products and let you guys know what my box costs at the end of the video. So be sure you guys are staying tuned. And also, FabFitFun, the content on this box not just include beauty products, they include lifestyle products, skincare, clothing, everything. So it's a wide variety of things, and it is such a great subscription. Again, this is my first time, but I've heard so many good things about it, so I'm super excited. So enough yapping, and I'm just gonna go ahead and attempt to open this box without knocking over anything. Actually, you know what? My daughter did open this, and she did take a sneak peek, so I don't have to open this up. Alright, let's just go ahead and see. Oh my word, look. Okay, so by the way, my box looks super cute. You guys have seen what the actual box looked like. So pretty. And then the inside of the box looked like so. And that is what we have inside the box. So many goodies, I can't even fit it in the frame. Okay, so let's just go ahead and dig in. I don't know how I'm gonna work this. Okay, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and put this box on the side over here so I don't knock anything over. Okay, so I put the box on the side so I don't knock anything over. That is a huge box, and I only have this small TV tray table to fit everything in. Okay, so the first thing in the box is this magazine right here, and it's just a FabFitFun magazine. And see what's in here. It just tells you basically what you get in what product comes, all of the product that comes in FabFitFun, whether or not you customize it or the stuff that actually comes in the box, like, you know, choices and stuff. So that is what it looks like. Next up is this $50 gift card to HelloFresh. And I actually heard about this. Who does this? Katie Holmes. She does HelloFresh, and I've heard a lot of great things about this. And it's just basically like a meal plan, like a weekly meal plan, and you basically cook it. So you can customize your only two people in one family or like a whole family, basically customize everything. And this is exciting. I might tell my husband about this and see if you can start with this because it seems very interesting. So it's just a $50 off gift card. So thank you FabFitFun for this one. Okay, so if you guys can see what is in my box, it's like so pretty and so it looks so pretty. Okay, let me just start grabbing stuff. Okay, so this is the first thing that came in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it because I have no idea what this is. Oh, okay, I know what this is. Okay, so this is the Quay Australia sunglasses, and I got this style Vivienne. This is one of the styles that I actually, or one of the items that I actually decided to customize for my box. So it does come in this pretty little case right here. And okay, so again, this is in the style Vivienne. I'm gonna see how much it retails for. I think the magazine is going to come in handy because it'll have all the prices for all of the products that are going to be in this box. It does have it in the front, like the first two pages. So I got the style Vivienne and in the shade or the color smoke, and this retails for $60. So I believe that's how much Quay Australia sunglasses retails for anyways. Can't wait, I love sunglasses. I will definitely be wearing this. We are going away for spring break, for my kids' spring break. We're not going anywhere fancy, we're just going to the next town over. It's basically a staycation. My kids are satisfied wherever we go. So this is what they look like, and I'm gonna go ahead and try them on. Love this. This is like an aviator type. I love it. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I've always wanted Quay sunglasses and now I have one, and I am excited. I really love this style. Again, this is like an aviator style sunglasses, so I am excited, and it just fits perfectly in on my head. So really love that, and I'm excited to try this, and I'm excited to use them. I do have to be careful though, because my 19-month-old daughter, she likes to grab my sunglasses. I have to be careful that she doesn't do that. So again, this is what the case looks like. I think it's very cool that they include the case, like a pop-up kind of thing. So that is the first item in the box. Okay, so next item in the box is this one from Ouai, and this is the leave-in conditioner. So this is the first time that I've ever had or ever tried a product from Ouai, and I've heard a lot of great things about this hair care brand, and yeah, so I'm excited. Okay, so this is what the product looks like. I'm not gonna open it right now because I do have a leave-in conditioner open at the moment. Once I am done with that, I will open this up and I'll keep you guys posted on what I think about it and all that, and a monthly favorite or something like that. I'm sure this is gonna make it to one of my monthly favorites eventually, because I do love leave-in conditioners, and I'm really glad that I received it. This retails for $26, so that is a pretty awesome thing. Okay, next up in the box is this one from Daily Concept, and this is the Daily Detox Massaging Brush. So this one retails for $18. So this is what it looks like, and let me read you guys the description of this one. It says, your body needs TLC to exfoliate layers of dead skin and stimulate circulation with the brush's natural bristles and massaging nodules. So it says, tip, use dry or wet, scrub and repeat. You can use the brush with your favorite body wash or on its own. Okay, so I've never really owned anything like this before. Let me see if I can open this. Okay, so it does come with this little thing that you can put your hand on, and then that is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it does have the little bristles and then it does have the little nodules that they were talking about. Yeah, I think this will make a great exfoliation exfoliation item for my skin. I really love to exfoliate my skin once in a while, so I'm excited to try this out. I'm definitely going to throw this in my shower and use it the next time I take a shower. Okay, next up in the box is from Dr. Brandt, and this is their Dr. Brandt skincare needles. No more baggage eye depuffing gel. So this retails for $42. That's expensive. So that is what it looks like. I'm excited to try this out. I really love Dr. Brandt products. I think they're so amazing. I'm excited to try this out and let you guys know what I think about it. I'm actually going to go ahead and open this up. I do love Dr. Brandt products. I was actually looking into purchasing this product. This is what it looks like right there. And yeah, I'm excited. Okay, so I'm probably going to test this out tonight and let you guys know what I think about it. I do use currently I can't think about it right now. It's in the blue cream, the blue bottle. I'll insert a picture, but I'm using that currently and I've been loving that. So I'm excited to try this out and I'll keep you guys posted on how I like this or all that good stuff. Ooh, okay. Next up is very exciting. I really love this brand. So this is from Quay, London, and this is the Extraordinary Translucent powder. I've actually been looking into purchasing a translucent powder because I'm trying to test out quite a few translucent powders to see, to go out of my comfort zone or to go out of my box and try out new different translucent powders. But this packaging is like a baby pink with like a rose gold lettering. So pretty. And this one retails for $22. So let me just see what the description says. It says, the secret to flawless makeup. Use the lightweight, finely milled powder as the last step in your makeup routine for a crease-free, soft focused finish. I absolutely love Quay London products. I think they're so amazing. Oh, I love the packaging. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? You guys see that? I love that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I like the fact that it just has a sifter on it. I'm not gonna attempt to open this, but that is what it looked like. I'm definitely gonna use this in my next makeup tutorial video, and let you guys know like trying out new makeup. So I'm excited to try this out. Okay, next up is this one. I don't know if this is a candle or what. Okay, so this is from Monica Dawn. This is the Champagne Body Scrub. So this retails for $24. It looked like a candle from when I first saw it. So that is what it looks like. Really, really pretty. I've never tried a like a champagne body scrub before, so I'm excited to see what this is all about. Okay, let's just see what it says in the description. It says, formulated with charcoal and dead sea minerals, deluxe and gentle body scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. Okay, go ahead and smell this. It says, apply evenly into the body while gently massaging the skin and then rinse. Oh, it smells good. Okay, it's a little messy. Oh, I already got some on my hand. So that is what it looked like right there. I got some on my hand. Oh boy. But it smells good and it smells really refreshing. So I'm excited to try this out. Let's see if I can show you guys what it looked like on the inside. So that is what it looks like. I'm excited and it feels really exfoliating. So really excited for this. Okay you guys, so I have two more products to show you that I have in the box. So this is the other one. This is from Lorac. This is the Pro Matte Lip color and this is in the shade Rose. That is what the packaging looks like, and this one retails for, okay, I don't exactly know how much the retail value is. I think this is one of those surprise items, so I'll just look it up and put it on the screen over here. I'm sure they have it online. Okay, so ooh, I like that. It's like a jumbo pencil stick. Okay, so that is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. So it looks like a little lip crayon, and then when you swatch it, ooh, love that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the shade is so pretty. I love that. It's like a perfect rose shade. Really perfect for the summer. So I'm excited to try this out. I've never tried any lip product from Lorac before, so I'm excited. Okay, last up is this one. This is so exciting because I have been waiting for this box because of this one. So this is the Show Me Your Moo Brie robe. So this retails for $84. So this is probably the most expensive thing in the box. I'm so excited because I've wanted a robe like this for so long. Hopefully this is my size. I think you can pick out your size and customize your size if you're doing like a clothing item. I love the color of this and the design. Oh my gosh. Hopefully this will fit me. I'm only gonna wear this inside anyway. So that is what it looks like. Really pretty shade, or really pretty design. Love it. Very floral, very spring. So I am excited. It does come with a little tie right here, so you guys want to tie it up and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on and see how it feels. Very, very soft. And it feels very lightweight. It's like a lightweight robe. I've always wanted like a lightweight robe for the summer and spring and nothing too heavy. I do have like a robe in my apartment, but it's like one of those thicker materials, so perfect for the winter. But this one is super perfect for the summer. Really love it, and it looks like it fits me really good. So I think this is a size small. Yeah, it's a 0 to small. So that's the size. So I am excited for this one. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and calculate everything that I got in my box, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I am back, and the retail value for my box, for this spring box, is $295. So that is insane, and you only pay, well, I paid for my first time $42, but if it's not your first time, it's like $60, but you get $295 worth of products in this box, and you're only paying $60. So that's insane, and I really love this. Anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I was super excited to unbox my first FabFitFun box, and I am so happy with all of the products that I received in this spring box. I cannot wait to see what my summer box will have in there, what they have in store for us. And already I absolutely love FabFitFun. I think it's such an amazing subscription. It is much more pricier than Box Charm and Ipsy, which are the only two other subscriptions that I am subscribed to. But Box Charm and Ipsy are monthly, and FabFitFun is like a quarterly subscription, and you get so much product in the box, and the quality high-end stuff, especially that robe, that's like $84. That's probably the most expensive piece of robe I've ever owned in my entire life. I don't even pay that much for a Victoria's Secret robe. So I'm excited for that. I'm excited for my Quay Australia Vivienne sunglasses. So excited, and everything else I'm excited. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you guys are FabFitFun subscribers, let me know what you guys received in your spring box. Did you guys love what you got? Did you guys receive pretty much what I received? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Yes, again, please give this video a thumbs up. I can't wait to do more FabFitFun unboxing for you guys. And yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you guys are always notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. Hit that notification bell. But yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!